Section number 5, Solar Cell. Lecture number 1, Photoelectric Effect and Solar Cell. Learning objectives of lecture number 1. Learner should able to understand photoelectric effect. Learner should able to understand significance of use of semiconductor in solar cell. Photoelectric effect. Basically, a photoelectric effect, when a light is falling over a solar cell, that time the photon is getting absorbed by the semiconductor material or the solar cell, and electron is getting deviated towards the conduction band and the flow of electron is getting occurred. When the photon is getting absorbed by a semiconductor material, the electron inside the metal or the valence band is getting excited up to the conduction band, and the small energy or the small current is getting flown. A photovoltaic is a direct conversion of a light into the electricity at the atomic level. Basically, it converts the photo or the light energy into the electrical energy. Some material exhibits a property known as photoelectric effect that causes them to absorb photon of a light and releases the electrons. When these free electrons are captured, an electric current result that can be used as an electricity. As in the diagram has been shown, a sun radiation is falling over the photovoltaic material or the semiconductor material, from where the photons is getting absorbed by the semiconductor material and electrons are getting flown inside the circuit. A very tiny amount of electricity has been generated by a single solar cell. Use of semiconductor in solar cell. As we know, the semiconductor material we are using to manufacture the solar cell. A typical silicon PV cell is composed of thin wafer consisting of an ultra thin layer of phosphorus dope N-type silicon on top of the thicker layer of boron dope P-type of silicon. An electrical field is created near the top surface of a cell where these two materials are in the contact, called the p-n junction. By connecting the p-type and the n-type material with a proper doping, we are creating a p-n junction, and whenever a metal contact is given on the front and top surface, when the photon is occurring, when the photon is getting incident inside this p-n junction or the p or n type of material, that time photon is getting absorbed and the material is getting excited, and because of the excited for material, the electron is getting shifted from valence band to the conduction band by building the gap of forbidden gap energy. In the later lecture, we will discuss in detail how the p-n junction is getting manufactured and how the electricity is getting generated from the n-type and p-type semiconductors. When sunlight strikes the surface of a PV cell, this electric field provides momentum and direction of light stimulates electron, resulting in the flow of current when the solar cell is connected to an electrical load. This is a particular diagram of a solar cell where n-type and p-type material is connected together. Top and bottom surface is a metallic surface. Solar radiation is getting falling over the semiconductor material, and due to which electron and hole pair is getting created and the flow of electron is getting created, due to which the electricity has been generated. In the later lecture, we will discuss in detail how the electricity will getting generated and working of solar cell.